everybody, so today we're gonna learn how to use Wondershare Virbo. Wondershare Virbo is an app that allows you to create AI avatars for free. And you might hear about some AI avatar apps. It's like few pound. They're for money. You need to pay money, and they're not very great. But Wondershare Virbo is free. You can download it in 4K quality. So today we're gonna know how to download it, and then we're gonna know how to use it. So let's start. So first, go to the link that I have in the description, or you can or just type in the address bar verbo.wondershare.com, and here it says generate AI videos in minutes. A minute, but for a free account you can only create only 1 minute videos. But you pay for it, you can create videos as long as you want. So here you can click on download for free or free download to download the app, or you can generate AI videos online. I like the app or the online app if you want. So let's start to learn how to use it. So here, once you open the app, here you have lots of characters to choose from. Here again, you can add one of them to your favorites. And then now let's try to create a video. So let's click on create video, then landscape, then create video. You can create a portrait video if you want to create a TikTok video or a YouTube short. Here you can see this character. Let's change it. So let's delete it. Then click on this character icon. And here, let's choose collection. And I have favorites, this one. So I want to use this avatar, so let's click on it. Here you can see his preview. He looks very good. So here, let's click on OK. Here, I'm going to put it right over here. And here, let's upload, I want him to speak about my channel. So, but I need to upload my channel logo, or maybe my channel image. Here, we can click on this import icon, and let's click on imports assets. Here, let's click on quick access, and then I'm gonna go and search for my logo. Here is uploading the file, and then here we're gonna wait, and then we're gonna try to create an audio script. So here, let's put the title over here, then it's like this, and here let's add some text. Let's click on here, add text. And here you have text templates. I can select I want this text. Please enter in text. Okay. the Windows user channel. Here, let's increase the width and here we try to increase the size. Okay, so here I want this person to talk, but first we need to name this video. So here it says untitled draft. It's not very creative, so just click on the edit icon. Then I can name it something. Here I have named it the Windows user channel. So here let's here right over here I have a text script. You can type in some text and I have an audio script. I can upload audio, extract audio, or I can do an online recording. So let's click on text scripts, and then here let's type in some text. Let's type in, hey, hey, if you liked this video, please subscribe this channel. I will love it. Or maybe I get type because it is very good. So here you can see it added subtitles. I'm gonna put the title over here. Then when I play the video, just wait. It's preparing the preview. What is prepare the
Hi,
preview.
if you like this video, please subscribe this channel because it is very good.
See, but you can't see the avatar talking. That's because we need to export the video now. So here, let's click on export, and here, I said in the beginning that you can download the 4K video. You can't. So here, the only one option if you just click on exports or just preparing it, my creations, and here it is exporting the video and it's saying please wait. Here you can see all of your recent videos. And you can see this one, this is the same copy, it's just like this now. This is just the draft and you can edit it from there. But this one is where the real video is. And when it is done loading, you can click on the download icon to download the video. So here we're gonna wait a little bit. You can add some things to your videos you want. I just created a very short video, only 7 seconds. And there's lots of more Wondershare apps you can use. I have one of the PDF image 10 in the description. Maybe I'll get create a video for it. Well, that's good. But here, video has generated. Sorry. Here, let's click on play. Here.
Hi, if you like this video, please subscribe this channel because it is very good.
See,
Hi,
this
if
is
you
the
like
best
this video,
video
please
ever.
subscribe this channel because it is very good.
The subtitles are very great because I typed it. Here, you can click on download video to download the video.
Hi, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more videos like this, click the subscribe button. So see you again.